Good morning, students. So, today we solve some more problems on finding the inverse of a matrix. Okay, so here the problem is the find the inverse of a matrix. The first one, A is 8 4 minus 3 2 1 1 1 2 1. Second one is A is equal to 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 then 0 1 3. Third one 2 1 minus 1 0 2 1 5 2 minus 3. Okay, so let us see the first problem. Find the inverse of a matrix. A is equal to 8 4 minus 3 2 1 1 1 2 1. Okay, so here the given matrix A is 8 4 minus 3 2 1 1 1 2 1. Now, as I already told, first we write the given matrix and the unit matrix side by side like this: A double dot I3, which is equal to, put the matrix, then first write the matrix 8 4 minus 3 2 1 1 1 2 1, then dot, put double dot everywhere. Okay, here, then write the unit matrix 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, next what we take, operation what we take, taking R3 is equal to 2R3 minus R2. R3 is equal to 2R3 minus R2. Now in this, R3 is equal to 2R3 minus R2. Okay, so now this is R3, right? Now R3 is equal to 2R3 minus R2 means what? We have to rewrite the elements of R3. We have to rewrite the elements of R3 using this operation, that is 2R3 minus R2. Okay, so what we do? We multiply 2 with R3 and then we subtract the elements of R2. So 2 into here 2 R3 minus R2, 2 into R3, so 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, so here first element is written as it is, so 8 4 minus 3. Now R3 can be R3, taking R3 is equal to 2 R3 minus R2, and also R2 is equal to 4 R2 minus R1. Okay, R2 is equal to 4 R2 minus R1. These two operations now we make. So here R3 means 2 R3 minus R2. So this is R3, multiply this R3 with 2, so, and subtract the elements of the second row minus R2. So 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 1, right, like that. Similarly R2 is equal to 4 R2 minus R1. Now this is the row R2, multiply this row with 4 and then subtract the elements of R1. So 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 8 0, 4 into 1 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 into 1 4, 4 minus of minus plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, like that we have to perform these two operations. Similarly here again same operations we have to perform for this unit matrix also. So that is 1 0 0, then here R2 is equal to 4 R2 minus R1. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 4 R2 minus R1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 R2 minus R1 ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ R2 ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ರೋ R2ಗೆ 4ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 4ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ, 4ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 4 ಇಂಟು 0 4, ಓಕೆ, 4 ಇಂಟು 0 4 ಮೈನಸ್ R1. ಸೊ 4 ಇಂಟು 0 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 ಇಂಟು 1 4, 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 0 4, 4 ಇಂಟು 0 0 ಮೈನಸ್ 0, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 0. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ R3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ 2 R3 ಮೈನಸ್ R2. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ R3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 2, 2 ಇಂಟು 0 0, 0 ಮೈನಸ್ 0 0, 2 into 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. Okay. So like this we operate these two operations. Then now see here, always remember to bring this matrix into a unit matrix. Okay. To bring this matrix into a unit matrix, always here we have two zeros and this one is 1. Okay. Here I have the last row is having two zeros, like that. Here this is a unit matrix. Okay. In the last row we have two zeros and last one is the element is 1, right? So to make this row as an unit matrix, here we have to make this as two elements must be 0 and last one is 1. Okay. So now what we do, we exchange these two rows. Okay. So taking R2 R3 means exchanging these two rows. So what happens then, ai3 is equal to this first row as it is 8 4 minus 3. Next we exchange this one. So writing R3 in place of R2, so that is 0 3 1. Then writing R2 in place of R3, that is 0 0 7. Similarly here 1 0 0 as it is, again exchanging these two rows. Same, whatever the operations we carry here, the same operation must be carried out here also. So exchanging these two rows, 1 0 0, then 0 minus 1 2, then minus 1 4 0, like this. Okay. Next is, after obtaining this one, next is taking R2 is equal to 7 R2 minus R3. Taking R2 is equal to 7 R2 minus R3 means we rewriting the elements of R2 using this row 7 R2 minus R3. Okay. Here this is R2. Okay, this is R2. Next multiply this R2 with 7. Then subtract the elements of R3. Subtract the elements of R3. Multiply the elements of R2 with 7 and subtract the elements of R3. So 7 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, that is 0. 7 threes are 21. 21 minus 0, 21. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, so next is remaining element as it is 0 0 7 dot dot dot. Next here 1 0 0 as it is. Now here again same operation carry out here. So this is 7 R2 minus R3. Multiply this with 7. 7 0 0. 0 minus of minus plus 1, that is plus 1. Next 7 into minus 1, minus 7. Minus 7 minus 4 minus 11. 7 into 2, 14. 14 minus 0, 14. Next minus 1 4 0 minus 1 4 0 as it is. Okay. So next here taking R2 divided by 21 and R3 divided by 7. Now see here to make this unit matrix, here we should it should come 1 and here also it should come 1, right? So therefore what we do, we divide the elements of R2 by 21 so that this middle term becomes 1, and similarly we divide the elements of R3 by 7. So therefore we write here taking R2 by 21 and R3 by 7. Okay, so therefore 8 4 minus 3, when we divide with this by 21, 0 1 0, when we divide this by 7, 0 0 1. Similarly here R2 is divided by 21 and R3 is divided by 7. So it is 1 0 0, 1 by 21, minus 11 by 21, 14 by 21. Next here minus 1 by 7, 4 by 7 and 0. Okay, so next is we should make this element as 1 0 and 0. Okay, this row we should make as 1 0 0. So for that what we do, we take R1 is equal to 4 R2 minus R1. R1 can be taken as 4 R2 minus R1, means what? Multiply the elements of R2 by 4, then subtract the elements of R1. So 4 into 0 0, 0 minus 8 minus 8, 4 into 1 4, 4 minus 4 0, 4 into 0, 0 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Then remaining element as it is 0 1 0 0 0 1, double dot double dot double dot. Next here also we carry the same operation, multiply the elements with R2 with 4 and subtract the elements of R1. So 1 minus 4 into this element 4 by 21. 4 by 21 minus 1, you will get minus 17 by 21. Similarly, multiply this with 4, minus 44 by 21, minus 0, minus 44 by 21. Here also we multiply this with 4, 14 4s are 56, 56 by 21 minus 0, 56 by 21. Okay. So that is 0 1 0, remaining elements as it is 0 1 0, 0 0 1, next 1 by 21, minus 11 by 21, 14 by 21, minus 1 by 7, 4 by 7 and 0. Okay, to next one. Again, to make this one element as 0, taking R1 as 3R3 minus R1, taking R1 as 3R3 minus R1. So R1 can be written as 3R3 minus R1. So multiply this third row by 3 and subtract the elements of R1. So that is 3 into 0, 0, 0 minus of minus 8, that is plus 8. Next again 3 into 0, 0, 0 minus of 0, that is 0. Next 3 into 1, 3, 3 minus of 3, that is again 0. Similarly here 0 1 0 as it is, 0 0 1 as it is. Next here again we carry the same operations, 3R3 minus R1, multiply this element with 3, minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus of minus plus 17 by 21 gives 8 by 21. Similarly 3 into 4 by 7, that is 12 by 7, 12 by 7 minus of minus plus 44 by 21, it gives 80 by 21. Similarly here 3 into 0, 0, 0 minus of 56 by 21, so it is minus 56 by 21. Then remaining element as it is, 1 by 21, minus 11 by 21, 14 by 21, minus 1 by 7, 4 by 7, 0. Remaining element as it is. Now to make this first element as 1, taking R1 is equal to R1 by 8. So that this gives AI3 is equal to, this is 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. Here also we should taking this R1 by 8, which gives 1 by 21, 10 by 21, minus 7 by 21. Then remaining elements as it is, 1 by 21, minus 11 by 21, 14 by 21, 1 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 4 by 7, that is 0. Okay. So like this we bring this in this form, and the last we get, this is the inverse of the matrix. This is the inverse of the given matrix. Okay. So this is how we solve we find the inverse of a matrix by elementary transformations. Okay. So similarly here the two problems are given as this one, second one, a is equal to 2 0 minus 1, 5 1 0, then 0 1 3, and second one is 2 1 minus 1, 0 2 1, and 5 2 minus 3. So please try to solve these problems, find the inverse of these problems, okay, and using elementary transformation. So take these two problems as homework. Okay, so in the next class I tell you the answers of these problems. Okay, thank you.